up, y'all? This is Jonathan 21, and I'm gonna show you some clips of the fireworks in 4th of July, and I forgot to upload them on July 5th because July 4th I came home. Well, it was a long story, but yeah, I'm gonna show you some clips of 4th of July fireworks, and the Coliseum. And yeah, that was like the fireworks, and that was just a short clip. If y'all didn't get to see the fireworks at the Coliseum in Greensboro, then there they are. And just hope y'all liked it, and subscribe right there. Watch more videos right down over there on these sides. I'm Jonathan 21. Comment down below, and peace out.